Hello everyone, and thank you for your interest in this project. Just before to tell you what we will try to achieve, let me introduce myself. My name is Romain Chauliac, but I'm most known as a nickname of Wizix. As you can hear, I'm French, and I worked as a CG artist since more than 5 years now in France. My background is basically focused on art surface stuff. I also make some French tutorials in order to always improve myself and share this experience. Today, I introduce a new tutorial series in which I will show you my CG workflow and how to achieve this image in about 100 hours of works. This is called the project Fuze. It will be split into 6 parts. 3 art surface modeling, other about unfolding UVs, Arnold render, Coexcel 2.0 texturing, and Nuke compositing. In this first part, I will start from scratch. I will showing you all my little tips of organization, my Maya custom shortcuts, and how to improve your modeling workflow in order to be quicker and more efficient. Then we will practice by modeling a little asset, the grenade. I invite you to go on the link page of my blog to follow me on Facebook for news and on Twitch for free live stream. I really hope you will enjoy this tutorial series and feel free to contact me for feedback.